experiment na to natuloy din. It's been a year or so, I think, para maging magkatotoo itong ATM card natin. And now it's finally happening. I'm glad we're all here today. And yes, happy lang ako today. It's been a good week, especially yesterday was a very, very special day for us. Magchichika tayo dyan mamaya. But thank you so much. And yes, marami tayong pag-uusapan.
Yes, marami ate. We are so excited to learn from you today. But first things first, congratulations on Someone Someday. Guys, napanood yun na, diba? Yes. Kamusta si Ate Kat doon? Napakagaling.
Race car driver.
Yes! I love it. Sobrang ganda niya always. Parang lagi kang blooming ate.
Oh my God, sa simula lang yun. Pero yes, another episode tonight. May the-drop it at 8:40. So,
Oh my gosh, we can't wait for tonight. But of course, Ate Kat, alam naman natin, first of all, nakita mo na ba yung ATM card mo? Up close and
picture
personal.
lang. Hindi pa talaga. Hindi ko
Oh
pa
my
siya
gosh,
nakita.
there it is.
Ay! Okay. Wow! Kamusta?
Sino pa? Oh, we have it
Ito
here.
na yung picture!
Napakabongga, ate. How do you feel that you are the face of an ATM card? Part ba ito ng bucket list mo, ate?
Alam mo, never ko naman siya in-expect na mangyayari, but it's cool, I think. You know, you don't get to see your face on an ATM card every day, right? So, thank you to my Banco family for making that happen. And more than that, hopefully, it will bring, you know, smiles sa mga Banco Mares and Banco Pares natin. Also, I'm glad I did it with my Banco fam. Diba? It's a good reminder na sana every time they see that card na, oh, okay, it's time to save up again, or it's time to invest in my future. You know, maybe it's a good reminder more than my face being there.
Yes. Parang feel ko, ate, pag ito yung card ko, mamomotivate talaga ako
Magtrabaho.
Bumili ng kotse, di ba? Para maging ka-level pa si Ate Kat, ganon. Pero sobrang ganda, ate. I feel like you never saw this coming in your whole lifetime.
Yes, no talaga. And like what I said kanina, it's been a year or so na since they mentioned this to me. Parang ang chubby cheeks ko pa rin dito. Tagal na when we shot this also. So finally, nangyari na siya. And I think it's worth the wait.
Sobrang ganda ng card and sobrang worth it talaga. And also, Ate Kat, I love how you mentioned na when you see your face in this card, mamomotivate ka to save up, to, you know, be responsible with your savings, your earnings. So, ikaw, ate, I know that you're very responsible, you're independent when it comes to your savings. So, ano ba ang mga money tips mo sa ating mga kabangko?
Money tips, I try to be responsible. And I think my mom is a big part of that. When it comes to saving, siya yung pinaka, I would like to say she's like my mentor. When it comes to handling my finances. Diba, as you all know, I started working at a very young age. So when I started working, maaga rin ako nag-start mag-ipon. So more than earning the money, it's more of lagi in-instill sa akin ng mom ko na it's okay to learn how to save also at a very young age. So you earn, natututo ka gaano kahirap kumita ng pera, but more importantly, matuto ka kung paano mo i-save yung pinaghirapan mo. So siguro growing up, yun lang yung nasa isip ko palagi, how important it is to save for your future. And ngayon na I'm 30, I turned 30, mas lalo kong na-appreciate yung tinuro sa akin ng mom ko. And until now, I continuously learn from my mom. Not just my mom, pero yung ibang nag-mentor din sa akin in a way when it comes to finances. Kasi, diba, sino ba yung may ayaw na secure na future? And I think it's good to start at a very young age para your future self will thank you for that for sure.
Ate, I have to know, personal question, pero I'm sure a lot of us will also learn from this.
Okay.
How old were you when you were like, okay, kailangan ko na talaga maging as in a saver? Kasi minsan, di ba kapag bata pa tayo, medyo tayo masaya, oh my gosh, may
Yeah,
sweldo
bilhin
ako!
ka na to.
Ganito.
Yeah. Siguro, I was aware when I started working at 6. So, syempre, hindi mo pa naman alam yung, you know, you don't think of those things when you're a kid. Siguro medyo nag-start ako nung medyo like grade 6, I would say. Mga ganon. Kasi usually si mama, bibigyan ako ng allowance. And then, nag-start siya na bibigyan ka ng weekly allowance. And then, kailangan umabot yun from Monday to Friday. So, you can bring your baon or you can bring this to school. And then, ikaw yung bahalang mag-budget kung paano mo mapagkakasya yun. So, I think it started from that. Yung parang may sense of responsibility in a way na this is your money, ikaw na bahala magpagkasya dyan. Pero kung hindi umabot, then do better next week. So, feeling ko yun yung nakatulong. So, mas naging aware ako kung paano i-handle yung money ko nung medyo nag-college na. And then, every time naman may tanong ako, my mom is there para i-guide ako, saan ba okay invest to, medyo sumusobra ka na, magastos, ganyan. So now, I make it the point na, for example, my savings, 50% goes to my savings. And then 50% sa lahat ng mga kailangan natin bayaran, tax, everything, all the expenses and all, but dapat secured yung 50% ko. Para in the future, maybe when I have my own family or whatever I want to do, if I want to travel, I get my money from that savings.
Sobrang bongga. Ako kasi dati nung grade school ako, Wednesday pa lang ubos na yung ano ko eh.
Minsan,
Yung baon
ganyan,
ko.
tapos matuto ka, oh my God, so gutom ka ng
Yes.
Thursday, Friday.
Thursday, Friday, wala na akong baon dati. Pero bongga, you started really young and being very responsible with your money. And you also talked about, ate, syempre, you have your investments and business. I think your businesses are part of that. I have to know, ate, tell us about your businesses. How was the investment process like for you?
I think the investments, medyo recently ko lang yan, like, natutunan. So, we have Isla Amara. I don't know if nakapunta na kayo in El Nido. And then, we are launching something really, really special also that's so close to my heart this year. That's another business coming. And then, my mom is a big fan of real estate too. So, I think yun yung nakuha ko sa kanya, investing in properties. And, ang pinaka-important, investing in yourself. You know, you need to keep learning, you need to keep growing, keep improving. And I think yun yung best investment na masasabi kong gawin nyo din, invest in yourself. And ayun lang, siguro hindi ko lang minadala yung sarili ko because syempre yung industry natin, it can change overnight. So yes, I'm earning today, pero hindi mo alam kung ano mangyayari tomorrow. So maganda rin na may investments tayo just to, you know, secure future and to to secure future.
That's true. Kasi like what she mentioned, our industry very erratic kasi siya and very unpredictable. And that actually leads me to my next question, ate. I'm sure that there are moments na unexpectedness comes. How do you prepare for that, those unexpected moments na parang shocks? Okay, parang hindi ako ready for the rainy days this time. How do you handle that, ate?
I think I think preparation really really helps kasi life is full of uncertainties naman talaga. Hindi mo alam yung mangyayari bukas, sometimes things don't go your way, pero important is you have like a plan para kapag nandun ka sa sitwasyon na yun, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo. And I think doon na papasok yung importance na meron kang ipon para in case something happens, alam mo, hindi ka matatakot na, oh my gosh, what do I do next? When you have savings or meron kang backup plan, it's like, okay, this didn't work out, I'll try plan B, and ganyan. So, important yon. And feeling ko, pag nandun din ako sa ganong situation, dun na nakakatulong yung mga tao around you na wag kayong mahiya na magtanong kapag meron hindi kayo alam, that's okay. And then if you need help, that's okay too. And I think that's also good talaga with Bangko, with BPI and Bangko of course, kasi you can go there anytime and then if you have questions, may explain nila ng maayos sa'yo. Hindi ka, alam mo yun, hindi ka matatakot magtanong. So feeling ko, ako na, you know, I have so many questions, I'm still learning how to invest and all, malaking bagay sa akin na meron akong matatanungan and magsasagot lahat ng tanong ko na yun. So, we have Bangko for that, of course. Yun lang.
I love it, diba? Marami tayong I think support system is very, very important talaga. Support system around you. But, ate, besides from you having your support system around you, you mentioned having a plan B, preparing for, again, the unexpected. As a daughter, as a businesswoman, as an actress, how do you plan out those different strategies and how do you prepare for those different strategies kung mag-isa ka lang, ate?
Definitely hindi ko siya kayang mag-isa. But I think preparation starts with being proactive rather than reactive. So financially, I make it a point to plan ahead and ensure I have options available in case kung ano man yung mangyari. And siguro instead of just being yung mag-react ka lang sa nangyari, kailangan, okay, ano gagawin ko next? Kasi usually, yung common reaction talaga natin is,
Panic?
oh my God, magpapanik ka na.
Yes.
Diba? Like, what do you do? It's your money. And then, what do I do next? So, in order to prevent that, I think preparation really, really helps. Well, as for me, I don't know with you, how do you handle pag may mga ganung surprises? I think you learn from it talaga, pero wala, you just have to be prepared.
Parang iyak now, tapos prepare later. Ganun talaga.
Dapat prepare now, iyak later.
Yes, prepare now, iyak later. Catherine Bernardo, 2026. O, diba?
Prepare ka na para hindi ka na umiyak.
Totoo, guys. Kaya preparation, again, like what Ate Kat mentioned, it is key. Kaya thank you so much, Ate, for
And I
sharing.
think hindi rin siya nagde-depend sa how much you're earning. If you want to prepare, start today. Like, start now. Take this as your sign to start now. No matter how much you're earning, kung magkano man yan yung weekly or monthly na iipon mo, alam mo, building that habit na meron kang nilalagyan ng kung ano man yung pinaghahandaan mo, over time, di mo mapapansin na at the end of the year, you have this amount. So, you have to set a goal as well na, okay, by the end of 2026, I want to reward myself with this trip. Kunwari kung saan mo man bansa. And then, you have a goal in mind. So now, every time may dadating sa'yo na money, may motivation ka na, okay, I want to work more so I can earn more. And that works for me, na I keep working, but I make it a point na I also reward myself once in a while without splurging naman. So,
Totoo.
tama lang.
Yes, reasonable splurge.
Splurge, yes, because you have to reward yourself din, di ba? Pero don't overspend, I think. So, bilhin mo lang yung mga dapat kailangan, buying your needs instead of wants. And then, budgeting helps, monthly budgeting.
Monthly budgeting. O, diba? Yes. I
Yeah.
love it. Ang sobrang cute ng mga KB buddies mo, ate. Lahat sila.
May mga ipon yung mga yan.
Yes.
Very good
Mga
yan.
ipon talaga sila. Wait, gusto, ipakita niyo naman kay Ate Kat yung beautiful smile ninyo. Ganon.
Sobrang, nakikita kami almost every day this month. Pero, din sila, may mga work din sila. And then, lagi ko sinasabihan na hindi naman kailangan, like, kunwari may event na to, malayo yun ang gastos na pumunta. Okay lang to show your support online or whatever, di ba? Kasi may ibang priorities din sila. Ang mahal ng pamasahe ngayon, kung saan nila ako susundan. So, mga masisipag sila, pero maiipon din yung mga
Yes. Grabe
Good
yung
example.
ipon nila, ate. I swear. Kasi kanina tinanong ko sila kung may mga businesses ba sila.
ano daw?
Sabi nila, yes, di ba meron? May mga businesses kayo. Okay, syempre ate, as a businesswoman naman, what is your best advice to your supporters who are here now na magsa-start ng business or who are currently handling a business?
Alam nyo, kung ano man yung naiisip nyong business ngayon na gawin, just do it. If you have the money, you have the time, and it's something that you really, really love, gawin nyo na. And I think kung kailangan nyo ng support, or especially financially, or whatever it is, ang ganda kasi meron kayong bangko na tutulong kung ano man yung gusto nyong gawin na yon. Hindi kayo matatakot kasi may back up sa inyo. So, kung ano man yung plano nyo, of course, kailangan maging matipid, maging practical, especially sa hirap ng buhay ngayon. Pero do something that gives you joy, whatever business that is, pwedeng siya yung uso ngayon, pero yan talaga yung gusto mo, you'll just feel it. And also, siguro, like, paulit-ulit ko lang sinasabi kanina, you just have to be prepared kung ano man yung magiging desisyon nyo na yun. So, important siguro na ilaan nyo yung mga pera nyo sa tamang paglagyan. Like, i-budget nyo siya and you never know. Malay nyo yung business na yun na hindi nyo sinisimulan, that will change your life, right? So, me, ganun din. Kahit sa projects na ginagawa ko, hindi mo naman sure kung magugustuhan siya ng tao, but if it's something you believe in, kung itataya mo dun yung passion mo and everything you like, then hindi mo alam kung ano yung pupuntahan nun. So, might as well, taya mo na. Right? So, gawin mo na. But, of course, you have to be real also na kailangan meron kang plan A, B, and C. Yan lang.
I love it. One thing I learned from Ate Kat today is not taking the risk is the biggest risk.
Wow!
Sino ka dyan, te? Not taking a risk is the biggest risk. Kaya